8 und 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 und 7, 8 und 1. Langsam.
Kannst du auch nochmal die Variante ohne...
Ohne Syncopation? Ja. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, sorry I forgot to make this silent. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without syncopation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. And now, how do we do this? We open first, we open 1, we go for 2. I bring the girl with the right hand in diagonal, in front of me. And at the same time, I prepare my left leg. This is only styling, is not leading. I'm leading the girl with my guiding here, okay? With my biceps. This is only styling. Go back. Then we go back, I pull the girl with me, and then I turn 90 degrees forward. And I say, forward. And now I step in front of the girl. In front. I cross back, pushing with the hip and the biceps, and then I make it break. 2, 3, 4. Then I go to the side. 1. I'm still in front of the girl. Now will come a turning motion. That means I'm locked her here and I need to turn a little bit and step back myself. Turn. Then I need to go on the next step, either behind the girl or on the spot. I choose to go behind, and then I push her forward, and I follow her leg. Follow. Now, here's important to make the left leg open, so I can turn as much as possible here. Okay, because when we do this in syncopation, it looks very nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Okay, for the turn.